Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip tribe. We all use cold glue. We love it, we hate it. How many times you have it oozing out on your table, stuck with the lid? It's easy. Start with a little cup. Always drop your lid in the cup. That way you won't lose it. Then, the very first time you use it, before you even begin, squeeze the nozzle into a little bit of an oval. That way less glue comes out. Then, when you're through, always take just a bit of petroleum jelly, place it on the nozzle, then put the lid on. That way it won't lock itself shut. Now you know the tips for cold glue to make your life easier. Happy Tulip Tuesday.